Hello. Today, I would like to introduce with my friend. Uh, she is really beautiful. Look at this. My friends. Yeah, it's the nature. You know, look at this. Green paddy plants and the tree, the blue sky, the clouds. They are really beautiful. You know, sometimes I think uh, there was no one around me. There was no friends around me. But at that time, I noticed the nature around me. Oh, this is my real friend. Look at this. The sky is looking at me smiling. When I see the clouds, I remember the poem that I learned in Greek 11 lesson, the cloud Zeus. Yes, it's really beautiful. Look at this.